Hello everybody, my name is Luke Marr and this is HauteLeMode, and today on HauteLeMode we are somewhere a little bit different, but that's because we are going to be doing a brand new style of video where we style some people you may know in some amazing looks from a pretty good fashion archive that we've developed over here at HauteLeMode. So I have two guests that I'd like to introduce. Carly, Erin, please come on in. Hello friends, I'm so happy. So you guys probably know Carly and Erin, and if you don't, well, that's a you problem. But I'm very excited about today. Are you guys as excited, or are you guys nervous?
I'm excited to experiment and just see weird things on my body. Not weird things, but you know what I mean.
Yeah, I'm definitely wearing that. The girls have rack appeal. Love to hear it. We are going to be doing two different videos today. So one is going to be featuring Erin very heavily, and we'll be getting into the Boho experience. And another will be featuring Carly very heavily, and we'll get into the grungy 90s Kate Mossy sort of Marc Jacobs experience. They will both be featured in both videos, but first up, we're going to do Erin's video. So Carly, we will see you very soon.
Bye.
Honestly, when I think about Erin, I think very boho. I mean, sort of 60s, sort of 70s, very like provincial. Not like south of France provincial, but more so like cottagecore and sort of very crisp and clean and light fabrics and nice little floral motifs. Honestly, it was not hard to sort of get into that, and the first thing that I thought of when I thought of what I was going to put Erin in was Raf Simons' Calvin Klein. It just sort of easy peasy worked well. So Erin. This is the moment.
I love this because of the pockets. This is incredible.
Yeah, it's fully a moment. I believe that this is from fall 2018 runway. On the runway, it did actually have like cutouts here. So the only thing that was actually covering the breasts was these little strips here.
Wait, I kind of love
that. But it is fun. It's nice. It's like easy. It's fun. It's like light. It's airy. The vertical stripes are very, very nice.
I also love the length.
It's gorgeous.
Love a good like maxi.
Uh-huh.
With these little boots too.
Yes, the Margiela boots coming in handy. This little collar, I would die for.
A brand I really like just makes these so you can like put them over whatever you want.
What's the brand?
Gani or Gani.
Oh, I feel like Chanel has done it, Patou has done it, and also consistently proves that Raf Simons is ahead of the curve most of the time. Give us the score. Tell us truly.
Like a 9 out of 10.
Ooh.
I would wear this down. I have on like a pair of platform sandals I could wear, like my Converse even. I have like cowboy boots at home too that I would totally wear this with. I love that vibe. You did a really good job. I love this, and it's super comfortable and very light.
So what are your thoughts? Give us the score.
I feel like it's 100% Erin. And I mean this in the best way possible. I feel like Erin can pull off like the Little House on the Prairie vibes. And yeah, it looks like something she would order online and be like, I just got my order. So I mean, I'd be like, that looks interesting. But then once it's on, it's like, oh, I get it.
Let's get into the next look though. Our next look again is another Calvin Klein moment, but as I mentioned earlier, florals. I also have a floral look that's very different, I would say, than the usual sort of cottagecore, country, rural style. Again, it's from a beautiful little Calvin Klein runway moment. So, Erin? It's top tier. Stunning.
This is incredible.
It is a feat. Again, like Raf Simons is very much so that girl. It is a full Jacquard moment, and we can see that throughout. It's just beautiful floral woven motifs. If we flip her up a little bit, you can see all of the sort of beautiful Jacquardy moment.
It's really soft.
You can just flip them inside out and still wear them.
Ooh.
And yeah, I'm shocked because you said that it is very soft, which I wasn't really expecting because I feel like a Jacquard is very uncomfortable and very stiff.
Oh, it's not stiff at all. Like, look at it. Me bending my knee.
Yeah. There's just the matching pair of little white cowboy boots, which are super easy. Work with it, play into the Calvin moment. This little like fold over moment for the longest time, I didn't really understand. So like you could make it just symmetrical, but she's even more fun when you do her like that. Thoughts?
I mean, I definitely wouldn't like wear this to go get my morning coffee.
Okay.
But if I had like an event to go to or like a birthday party or like something that's a little bit more formal, like this is everything.
I didn't realize like it can be quite formal. Like
yeah,
you
it's
can
just
make
like,
it
yeah, it's not
formal.
like super, like we're not going to a ball.
Yeah.
But like
100%.
if I were to go to like an awards show, I am Post Malone in this outfit.
Oh, I feel like Post Malone can't even get to this level.
I don't know, it's so different but so fun, and it's very comfortable. I think that helps because I can like see how it would fit me, and looking in the mirror I'm like, this is cool.
So give us a rating.
Did you do a good job?
Yes.
Like, yeah, I would rate like 9 out of 10 again. Like it's just so different and cool. Like from what I would see, I'm sure it's not like that different to some people, but like for me, I'm like,
it's also something you don't normally wear. So I feel like it's cool to see it fitting you.
Yeah, I love it.
Yeah,
even those shoes. The shoes are like everything. This is such a good outfit.
Yeah.
All right, let's move on to our last one where we're all together. Show us the looks. Show us the looks. I could call this looks, the final looks, but in reality it's more of like a look. It's a gingham moment. It's from Diane Von Furstenberg's Spring 2015 collection. Definitely giving you a little bit of Brigitte Bardot. I don't know if that's necessarily boho, but like, again, you know, we're making it work. We're creating our own narrative. Ladies, what are we thinking of our dresses?
I feel like we're waitresses at a niche little LA restaurant or like on a picnic.
Or like just getting Easter brunch with our family, like maybe like a Sunday when your parents dress you up the same as little kids.
Oh shit, okay, so I did a bad job. All right, way to finish it off.
To be fair, the first two were everything to me.
No, you picked us out amazing outfits.
Yeah.
Like, it's all about taking risks, and this is a
totally.
risk. I think it just reminds me so much of like me 3 or 4 years ago. So I'm kind of like, I wore a lot of like black and white checkered stripes.
Okay,
so I feel like for me, I'm like, enough.
Yeah.
We're
but
done.
I don't think I would pick it out for myself.
Got it.
Like there's definitely people who can like pull it off comfortably and like be like, oh, this is for me. This is my vibe. I don't feel like me.
Oh,
Yeah.
oh gosh.
Interesting.
Like,
Okay.
Erin's having an experience.
Yeah,
Yeah,
she's having an
like,
existential crisis.
Identity crisis.
Like I feel like I'm about to go live a narrative that isn't my life.
Okay, see, this is what happens with clothing is if it's not on par, if it doesn't make sense, it causes breakdowns. I feel like I already know the answer, but like, let's give us a number rating just so I can confirm it. 1, 2, 3, go.
3.
I don't think that this is like an ugly dress. I'm
Yeah,
not saying it's
no.
ugly. It's just like not for me.
Doesn't feel like
as a
me
person,
either.
yeah.
Like,
I think they're so hideous, and that's why I put them on you guys to embarrass you. Just kidding. But so that is the end of today's video. I want to thank Erin and Carly for coming on the channel, doing 2 different videos. So if you have not watched Carly's video, go watch Carly's. We get into the nitty gritty of grunge and the 90s sort of styles. Let us know which were some of your favorites and least favorite looks. It's all on me again. I'm the stylist now, so.
You did a really good job. Give yourself more credit.
yeah, you did. You really did.
Thanks, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one. And TTYL.